broadcast is live now. आगे आ गया.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. You can hear me?
Yeah. Yes.
Just
You
give
can
me a
hear me?
minute. Yeah. Yeah. To see it on the page.
Who, me? You're telling me?
Yeah, I am actually trying to see it on the page, the Facebook page.
So it's not happening?
Yeah, I'm just checking that. So if that starts, then we can start. Yes, it's happening.
Okay. So we go.
So yeah, just 1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Can you hear me?
Okay. So a very welcome. Yes, ma'am.
You can hear me? Can you?
Yeah, I can.
You can hear. Okay, great. Fine.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Chalo.
Okay, so a very warm welcome to all of you on Because We Are Worth It series under the banner of Madhu Ranjit Singh Image Consultancy. Before we go ahead with this conversation, my sincere apologies to all of y'all because we did try to connect for quite some time at 6 o'clock, but there was some technical glitch because of which we couldn't continue with it. And so we finished with the Instagram, and then now when we connected, everything was fine, and that's the reason we are back here again. So I hope and you guys are fine with it, and thank you so much for joining in. So we have today, this is the episode number 4 of Because We Are Worth It series, and in this episode 4 we bring you one of the most beautiful, gorgeous, stylish and spiritual soul, Miss Smita Jaikar. Now here she is, you can see her already with her beautiful smile, radiating smile. A lot of people, when I announced that I'm going to interview ma'am, a lot of people, sent me a message saying that, oh, I love her smile, and we love this mole.
Oh,
So, ma'am, that is all
more
the
fun.
compliments that. So, we all know her as an actress, Hindi movie actress. I don't like the term Bollywood actually. So, yeah, she is, we all know her as an actress, a fine actress who has played beautiful roles, which have been like super duper hits. Some of them, if I have to name, then it's like Devdas, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Akira, taxi number 9211, and I can just go on and on. I have a whole lot of lists here written down, but I
Right.
wouldn't like to waste my time on that. This is one side of Miss Smita Jayakar, but she has a very, very beautiful another side of hers, and that is her spiritual side, which not many people know about. And also, she is an author. So I welcome Smita Jayakar, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Oh God, I fall. Okay. Ah, almost better.
Yeah. So thank you so much, ma'am. Very warm welcome to you, and you are looking gorgeous as always. Now,
Thank
for the viewers, I just want to, before they start asking any questions, one thing which I would like to clarify is that she has gone bald like me. And we have, like, she has donated her hair for cancer patients, and she is looking as radiating as what she was with her hair, and with such a noble thought. She has her spiritual side, which anyways we are going to discuss during the course of the time. And now over to Miss Smita Jayakar, ma'am. Hello, ma'am, how are you?
I'm very well, Madhu. Thank you very much for doing this live Facebook live. And I mean, I'm all game. I don't know how many people are watching us live because I can't see the like the way we see on Instagram. You can't see how many people are there. But I'm so happy to meet everybody. Honestly, Bolo. You can start.
So there are a lot of people watching us, because what I have done is, in order to check how many people are watching, I'm also looking at my mobile again and again.
Okay.
So there is a message here for you.
Yeah.
There is a message here for you from Mr. Praveen Raj. Loved all your work. Great to see the watch party with Madhu. So people are watching you on Facebook. There
Thank
are many of them have joined in, and we will just give a message to all of them that we will start our conversation right now. At the same time, you guys can put in your questions in your comments. We would see how the time permits. If the time permits, we will take up the questions now, or else we will make it a point to answer them after the live. But please feel free to question, ask whatever questions you have with reference to anything that you want to ask.
Yeah, sure.
Good to
So
go,
thank
ma'am.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. So one of the most important question that many people get confused about, and they do have a lot of queries with reference to that question, is that what, according to you, is the difference in being religious and being spiritual?
Huge difference between the two. Huge difference. I would personally not like to say I'm a religious person. I am not. But if somebody asks me, I have to say I'm a Hindu because I'm born Hindu. But I don't believe in any religion because I feel religion always divides you. This is your religion, this is my religion. हमारे religion में ऐसा होता है, आपके religion में वैसा होता है. Which is something which I just do not like. Besides, religion puts fear in you. everything what we do religiously has got a fear connotation. ये नहीं करोगे तो भगवान को कुछ पाप लगेगा, भगवान गुस्सा हो जाएंगे. ये concepts कहाँ से आते हैं? I don't know. भगवान is never गुस्से वाला and भगवान is never punishing and all that. Those concepts only I don't agree with. So religion puts you into that kind of a thing. Now, just in the morning, I was talking to my mother. There are like some people, Amavasya is considered to be a bad day. I mean, नहीं अमावस्या है तो कुछ नया शुरू मत करो, कुछ ये मत करो, कुछ वो मत करो, ऐसा होता है. So in the morning,
absolutely.
But yet in the south, अमावस्या is supposed to be very good. उस दिन वो नए कार्य शुरू करते हैं. उन लोगों के लिए राहु काल बहुत बड़ा होता है. For others, we do everything at whatever time. हम लोग राहु काल का कभी सोचते भी नहीं है. But south में राहु काल is such a big important. All of us are Hindus. But look at the difference of thinking. So this is exactly what I don't like about religion. Because ये religion ये मानता है, वो religion वो मानता है. So whatever is equal to every human being on this platform or on this planet is spirituality. Master Radhakrishna always explains this word as spirituality. Spirituality, he says, is simpler than the word simple. And जो कि इतना simple है, इसके लिए हम उसको apply नहीं करते. Mind doesn't like something so simple, and it's very difficult to be simple.
Yes, absolutely.
It's like it's nice to adorn things and to act something, but to be yourself is the most difficult thing to do, and that is spirituality.
Yes, absolutely, ma'am. So, having said that, now, before asking this question, the next question, ma'am has spent about 32 odd years in with the Hindi film industry, and almost about the same number of years in spirituality. Whereas from the last 10 to 12 years or 15 years, she has actually started talking about it, her spiritual journey. Now, my next question is that Hindi film industry or any kind of glamour world is like, with light, camera, action, and, like it's all wow. So, how do you manage that glamour and those, chakachon ki zindagi? And on the other side, like, being spiritual is like, being calm, being with yourself, with peace. And so how do you actually manage and connect those two things when it comes to you? Because you are one.
Yeah. So, see, Madhu, we lead our lives on two levels. One is the external world and one is the internal world. They're like two wings of a bird. Both of them have to be together and in sync with each other. Only then will you soar like a bird.
Correct.
So now this chakachon wali dunya hai, but that is my external world. My inner world is completely different. Yeah. So I don't allow or let that external world affect my inner world, no matter whatever is happening in the external world. Like a question needing to this to come as a Devdas me or some other this I've worked as a little bit on the edge kind of a character, thoda sa yahan pe negative, thoda sa wo. So that is a role that I'm playing. That is not me. That is that character that I'm playing. A Kaushalya or somebody, Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Wood, wo character wo main nahi hu. So my inner world remains the way it is. External world में कुछ भी होता हो, it has got nothing to do with my internal world. So जो चकाचौंध वाली दुनिया है, that's fine. But I have never allowed it or let it affect my inner world. I have never got carried away with whatever little success I got. It never went into my head. Basically, because I was into spirituality right from day one, I'm very grounded. My behavior with people never changed yet. And now, if I meet people whom I've met like many years ago, they'll still say, "Oh, you're the same. You're just the same." I have not changed because I don't. That thing never came into me to have that attitude and well, I am so and so on, because that falls off immediately. It doesn't go with you. So this is what spirituality is explained to me. The inner world is completely different.
That is so beautifully explained, ma'am. But at the same time, maybe because your journey was started, both the journeys started parallelly. So I think that was very beautiful, because otherwise, and we have seen so many cases, like I don't want to name anybody, but we have seen, they have touched the highest, stardom, and then, thrak, they have, come down.
Yes.
So it goes into their head, and it's very difficult, I guess, to
Handle
um,
success. It's not very easy to handle success.
it's not very easy to handle success is one, and secondly, I think because you were on the spiritual journey already, so you were already connected with yourself,
Correct. Absolutely.
so that would have helped you in, yeah. And I admire, like, for all the viewers here, I'm telling you that whenever, like, first time when I spoke to her, I did not feel the air. My assistant, she told me, "Ma'am, she's so humble," and, like, I literally, she felt so good to talk to, talk to her, and she doesn't hesitate in coordinating then on things, So yes, ma'am, I really appreciate that quality of yours. Otherwise, after giving hits after hits after hits in Bollywood, it's not very easy for people to be grounded.
It's very easy to get carried away by that thing. So you need to be stable.
So, ma'am, spirituality. When it comes to spirituality, people have this notion that being spiritual is, or if you step into spirituality, it's like kind of going away from your normal life, or ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है. Spirituality puts those kind of conditions on you that ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है, आप साधु संत बन जाओ, या ये नहीं कर सकते, आप वो नहीं कर सकते, all those kind of things. So what are your views on that, and can you just explain?
That's a myth. For me myself, like my peak of my film career and the peak of my spiritual career were almost together. I wouldn't call it spiritual career, but if you have to compare the two, because I was both the things were at par, and none of my masters, nor the spirituality, ever tell you to change yourself. अगर हर कोई जो स्पिरिचुअलिटी में जाता है, कोई डॉक्टर्स हो या पॉलिटिशियंस हो या बिजनेसमैन हो या कोई भी हो, इफ यू ट्राई, इफ यू गिव अप योर वर्क, if you give up everything and you go and just do hari in the Himalayas, puri economy ki, I mean, how do you run the world? How do you run? I mean, you can't do. It's not allowed. It's not what it is at all. There's no need to change yourself at all. I've never changed till date. I don't. I mean, I go everywhere. I do everything. I meet everybody. I go for movies. I dress up well. I wear jewelry. All that I'm doing. As I said, my external world is just the way it is. What has shifted is my inner world, big time. The shift has happened in my inner world big time, and that is all what you need to do. You just have to shift your inner world, and people don't even know that the inner world exists. That is the whole problem. In humanity, the biggest disease of humanity is unawareness. अगर ये awareness में आते हैं ना लोग, तो बहुत कुछ change हो जाएगा. Just become aware of what things are, what you are inside. Just become aware of somebody else's feelings. It's just awareness. So that is actually spirituality is so simple to explain. These are these small things like awareness, being in awareness. People just are leading their lives, just amassing materialistic tokens. There's no harm in that, and there's nothing wrong in that. But at the same time, your inner world also has to amass that wealth. Uska kya? So at some point, in some stage in your life, if you have reached a particular height, you will fall down because the other wing is not at par. So that's why we see people who are successful, suddenly there's a crash.
Yes.
Because they don't know how to balance both of them. पैसा होना गलत बात नहीं है, लेकिन पैसे का इस्तेमाल कैसे करना है वो हमें समझ में आना चाहिए.
So can I say that if you are not connected with your internal self, then that's where your with success comes arrogance. Can we say that?
So many other things, not just arrogance. There's so many unaware. You use your wealth in a very wrong way. एरोगेंस तो आता ही है, ऐसे लगता है कि you know who you're talking to, you know who I am, वो आता ही है, because you feel that you got it all, you know, reached there, that एक ठाड़ करके नीचे आ जाओगे, and then you say कि मैंने क्या किया, I'm into nice to people, why me, all that starts coming, but you don't realize what you have not done, which you should have done.
So, ma'am, can we quickly take this one question? So there are people who have reached to the heights. They are very successful in terms of everything they have. At the same time, maybe they are doing a lot of charity also. इसको donation दिया, उसको donation दिया. They visit temples, ये वो and all that. But there is a lack of internal journey.
100%.
This triangle is there.
Yes. Now see what people think is हमने charity, पैसा जिसके पास बहुत सारा पैसा है, करोड़ों है, उसमें 2-4 लाख किसी को charity में दे, doesn't pinch you. If I have 1,000 rupees to give, 10 rupees is a big thing for me. No. But if I have 1,000 rupees and somebody asks me for 700 rupees, it's a pinch. And yet I will give it. That is what is called charity. But charity doesn't have to be only with money. Not only with money. Charity is of various forms. The highest form of charity is to give knowledge, because that is the one which goes with you over lifetimes. Everything else you will leave over here. So teacher's profession or teaching, giving you spiritual gyan, spiritual knowledge is the highest form of charity you can give to people. But still, you do something at least for someone. If you have a lot of money, you should do help. So in India, any amount of help you give people, it is less. The amount of help people really want. Education system है, hospitalization है. अभी तो देखो कितनी हालत है लोगों की, hospitals इतने कम पड़ रहे हैं. Though there have been these big giants, business giants who have built hospitals for people, फिर भी कम पड़ रहे हैं. So they should do. People who have these are these tycoons who are there, business corporate people who are big, they should do something for. But the inner journey is what I'm talking of, is not these external acts that they're doing. Inner journey is something very different from these external acts. That is where spirituality comes in. First, find out who you are inside. Everything you've gathered, if you're going to leave it in 1 minute and go, what are you doing it for? Who are you doing it for? Who is this who's making you do all this? And is that something inside you making you feel happy and blissful? There are people who are happy with very little, and there are people who are unhappy with lots.
Yes.
So, what is the question of happiness? That is where your journey starts. That is where the inquiry starts. That's where you become a seeker.
And explaining this internal journey and external journey, which you have just touched upon, how will you explain the suffering of people? So people talk a lot about, I'm suffering, he's suffering. There's a lot of suffering actually. So how will we relate that suffering to whatever to human mankind? Why do people suffer?
Because they choose to suffer. Suffering is a choice. You can choose not to suffer. Pain is inevitable. It's of the body. And कुछ दवाई ववाई लेके pain को हम ठीक कर सकते. Suffering is of the mind.
Okay, so there seems to be some. So there seems to be some connection issue. So let's wait for her to join back.
Who? Wait for whom? Wait for whom?
Yes, ma'am.
I continue? Yeah. So suffering, as I said, is a choice. Okay. Now I belong to Maitribodh Parivar. It's a socio-spiritual organization. And the founder of Maitribodh Parivar is my master, Maitreya Dada Shriji. The USP of Maitribodh Parivar is to transform the mind. All the processes that happen over there are for transforming of the mind. You have to transform the mind
Right.
and to install love in your hearts. That is basically what is done. So all the processes are towards transformation of the mind. So once the mind is transformed, you look at life from a very different point of view. Otherwise आपकी लाइफ को देखने का जरिया क्या है? नजरिया इज जस्ट लाइक अ चीटी. उतना ही लाइफ देखते हो आप जितनी चीटी देखती हो. But this, you have to broaden your horizon. You look at life from a eagle's point of view. Then you will not suffer because then you understand what life is. Here there is no understanding about what life is, and that is why we suffer. So the mind has to change. Now, again, here I would like to say that there are these lots of programs which happen on Facebook and all the on Zoom, this, that, and the other. I keep putting them on Facebook very often. Like today, we had a Zoom program before this, like 5 to 6 was a Zoom program, which I put on Facebook. So anybody could log into it and start your journey somewhere. It was on Om chanting. It was free. Another first level of both, which is a 2.5 hour process, which is free, which is now done on Zoom. So if you all really want to really start your inner journey, I would suggest, please, I will give you this number, Vandana's number. She will guide you how to go and connect to the ashram or boards and whatever programs we do. Her number is 93-222-90211. 93-222-90211. So she can guide you on these kind of things and you can take it further from there. And somehow just change, my dear friends. You need to transform. If you really want to be happy in life, something has to happen from inside. You can't keep doing the same things every day and expect a different result, can you? रोज पिक्चर आप रोज देखोगे आपका एंड चेंज होने वाला है क्या?
The script will.
So again and again, and you are expecting a different result. How is it going to be possible? Do something different internally, you'll see the different result outside. That's what it is.
So if I understand correctly, what ma'am is trying to say is that it is an inside-out journey.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, outside in, whole world does it.
Yes.
But inside out, which is the crux of the thing, is very few people do it. Now,
Yes.
in extension, she has given some number of a lady. Now, in extension to that, ma'am is having a YouTube channel. Please subscribe that, and it has more than 500 videos, and you will, if you have to just go to the subject and follow it, and that's all. So if you have to,
whatever problems issues, you type that Smita Jaikar, you'll get it. I've done on every topic which can help you in on all these kind of things. To daily life, क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, बहुत सारी चीजें. So really, please honestly subscribe to the channel, and it will be a great help for you all. So your basic रोज की जिंदगी के लिए कैसा क्या करना है वो.
Right. Now there is one very, very important topic on which I would like to ask ma'am, because there are not many people who are actually doing this. But there are not many people who are doing this, and not many people are aware about it, and that is automatic writing. So I don't know if any of you all have heard. Please put down in the comments. I'll check on my mobile. Have you all heard about automatic writing? And this is one question which I would like to ask ma'am. What is automatic writing? If you can explain it briefly on how does it help and why is it required?
Yeah, so I have a YouTube video also on automatic writing. So for details, they can book the YouTube video and check it out also. Secondly, in brief, I would like to tell what is auto writing is a healing process. It brings about a closure with a person living here and someone who's passed over. So I am a medium. I connect with the soul who passed over. It's a three-way conversation. So it's you, me, and the soul, which you can't hear nor see, but I can hear and sense it and see it also many times. I mean, I can tell you the person was tall, big, hefty, कपड़े का कलर वरल वो बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे दिखाई देती है मुझे महसूस भी होता है बहुत सारा so it is a basically a closure. It's usually that the soul, when they pass over, they're in a very sensitive state and they feel a lot of remorse for the type of life they've led. So they want to ask for forgiveness and things like that. So they need forgiveness from us. So it brings about a closure. Sometimes there is a early young children who die at a very very young age, at 22, 23, 24, some commit suicide. So parents cannot take that suffering. It's too much of a pain. So it releases you of that pain. It just makes you feel a little lighter. You feel you can sense those people can sense that for their own person over here. Now, many a times this also happens. Somebody's fond of perfumes. I can smell the perfume and I ask them, was he fond of perfume? I have had smells like fish fry ka smell aata hai kabhi kabhi. So I ask them, did this person like fried fish or something like that? So these are the signs that I keep getting also. So I've had many such experiences. It has been such a wonderful journey, but it's an overwhelming process, Madhu. It is not to be taken something so lightly. कि चलो चलो देखते हैं क्या है. It's not something like that.
Yes, 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 yes.
Really very overwhelming. A lot of tear flowing and all that goes on. कभी कभी बहुत मुझे भी बहुत I'm very hurt. Sometimes it pains me also to see the pain in people when they talk about their person who's lost over. But people who have gone there, the soul, they're in a much happier and a blissful state. The problem is with us, suffering is with us. Besides, a lot of them think that we should not disturb them. That is again stupidity, absolutely, because they are so dying to meet their loved ones. They feel so nice when their loved ones come and meet them. And nowadays, I've started doing it on Zoom. Of course, I was doing on Zoom for people outside India because obviously they can't come here. But now, because of this scenario outside, I have started doing these things on Zoom, even for people in Mumbai or anywhere in India. And it's giving exactly always gave very good results. So it has been a wonderful. I mean, I feel very nice when I do auto writing myself. It releases the soul. Then I have asked my masters always. I've taken permission from them always. Should I do it? And they've always said yes, please do it because you're doing a big favor to the souls. They need to
Yes.
transition. They get stuck in the earth space otherwise for the longest time. So they need to do the transition because there is no forgiveness that has happened. People are still holding a grudge against your father, mother. Why did you do this to me?
Yeah, another line.
Why is my father gave all my property to so and so, my sister or that one? वो कितना hold करके रखते हैं बहुत सारे लोग. So they need to ask for forgiveness for whatever. Abortion is another one. Abortion, miscarriage is a natural thing, but abort करते हैं that you're aborting a life which is wanting to come to that womb for a particular karmic settlement, and you have interfered in the divine plan. So abortions, definitely you need to talk to the souls and you have to tell the soul why you did it. That the soul has to settle there, and for forgiveness you have to ask the divine for forgiveness why you had to do it. So you're interfering in the divine plan, no?
So, in extension to this, what human mankind has come up with family planning. So, how does that? Because if abortion is like this, then even that also would be having some.
No, family planning is not. You're not killing a soul. You have just planned not to allow another child to happen. So that soul will take janam wherever else. But here you have interfered in the karmic divine plan of the soul which has decided to take birth, and you have done it on purpose. Abortion is done on purpose.
So because that life has not started forming there, and here it is
Yeah.
already.
There the life ka kuch shurwaat hi nahi hai. You've not allowed it only to happen. That's a
Yeah.
different thing completely.
So, ma'am, as a mediator in between the soul and the people, uh, your body, because everything needs a lot of energy. So I know that, yeah, it is quite satisfying after it is done, and like when you see people here happy and they're relieved and stuff. But as an individual, because after all you are a human being, so at the end of each session, or every session also must be very different, and some of them may be like really heavy and some of them may be light moments and stuff. So how do you feel after these sessions, your body, the energy levels, and yeah.
So actually, it very honestly, I've always felt if you want to do things like that, you must have a master to protect you. So I always prayed to Dadashi first to protect me and to get this connection right with the person. So I have a protection of my master very, very strongly. So nothing happens to my body. Of course, it is a energy thing, but ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं इतनी drain हो जाती हूँ, इतना ये होता है. ये इतना अपने आप को मैं इतना महान नहीं समझती हूँ. It is from the masters that is coming and I'm delivering it. But it is very satisfying, yes. It is very satisfying, very overwhelming. It feels nice when I do it. I like to do it. Not for people here, but I like it because the souls, they move on. It is the release of the soul. So my thought is the souls, not more than the people here. So I will not say कुछ भी healing भी करती हूँ, chakra का healing and whatever I do those things also. I have never taken it the onus on me. कि I have done it. I don't feel बहुत सारे लोग healers ऐसे बोलते हैं कि when I do healing for somebody else मेरे ऊपर वो आ जाता है.
Yes, I've heard this.
I mean, yeah, what I have been always taught is when you're doing healing or any of these kind of things, you has to get out. If
There you are.
you are in it, it will come to you. You out. So that is very important. You become an empty channel and jo karna hai to karo. Leave it to the divine. I leave it to my master. Because when I do healing, मैं पूछती भी नहीं हूँ उसके बाद में how did you feel? Did you feel nice? I did healing for him. Oh, that's a person cured because I did healing for him. वो सब मैं नहीं करती हूँ कभी. I am out of it. I do my work, and that's about it.
Super. So I think if anybody has any questions, please feel free, because I'm just checking on the mobile if there are any. Anybody wants to. In the meantime, I will, I request, ma'am, if you can throw a little bit of light on chakras, because a lot of people do not know about chakras. First of all, they are not aware that we have something called chakras. Then, secondly, okay, fine, there are maybe some of them know that there is some chakra here, that's it. But beyond that, I don't think how many chakras, how do they help, whether you can actually monitor them and manage them well for your own well-being. So can you just explain that how these chakras work, and like how important are they for people's खुद के अच्छे के लिए?
Yeah. We have 7 energy centers, which are the chakras in our part of the body. And why I like chakras, and I've studied a lot of about chakras and almost done a thesis of it. It's not my knowledge; it's come from the Vedas, from the masters to me. I've studied and I've worked on it. I've been doing my chakradhana every day for the past 32 years, ever since I got into spirituality. My havan I do for the past 32 years. So I basically like chakras because again, it's a universal thing. Any human being born on this planet is born with these energy centers. Any human being. So it has got no religion touch to it whatsoever. right? So, and chakras rule your entire life. Like if you have a chakras aligned and activated, 85 to 90% of your issues of your life you can handle. So it connects to your entire body system. Like it takes care of your mental, physical, spiritual, financial, every aspect of you is connected. The lower three chakras are connected to the materialistic world, the upper three chakras are connected to the inner world. So, as I was saying, the inner world and the external world, I have to be a balance with each other. Chakra can balance both those worlds. Besides, this is the only meditation which strengthens your aura. No other meditation, no matter what you do, strengthens your aura. Your aura is strengthened only through chakra meditation. Again, I have got this on YouTube. Chakra Guide for Beginners करके मेरा YouTube पे है इसका. So people can follow it. Just follow it. Just listen to it first. Put the earplugs and just follow it. Just keep doing the chakra dhyana. You will know. You will yourself feel the change. You will yourself know how nice it feels. So the change is within you. You will yourself do it. Now, lots of people ask me, "Ma'am, how long are we supposed to do it?" Now, this is one question I don't like to answer. Madhu. How long? मतलब हर चीज के लिए हाउ लॉन्ग क्या पूछना है? डिविनिटी के लिए व्हाई डू यू हैव टाइम लिमिट्स टू इट? बाकी चीजें करते हो उसके लिए नहीं पूछते हो हाउ लॉन्ग? Everybody does so many other things, like you do your workouts and you do your diets and you go to beauty parlors and you do all kinds of things. तब नहीं पूछते कि how long am I going to work out to become thin? How long am I going to go for my beauty stuff? Do you ask that? You do that for life, no? So why when it comes to your own self growth, for the betterment of your own self, you'll ask how long? अरे ये क्या बनता है? ये क्या है? I've never understood how long. Anyway, but that's how.
Like what we were saying in Insta, yeah, and like what we said in the Instagram live, the day, what if your soul starts telling you, how long do I need to take care of you? Then what
Exactly,
happens?
exactly. What if God tomorrow says, "How long? How long? I mean, come on, how
Yeah.
long? I'm just taking care of you. The nature taking care of you. Mother Earth taking care of you. How long?" So now she's gone on a lockout. Only chalo बैठो अभी घर में अभी सोचो how long.
So, ma'am, you
So
had
in fact, in
explained.
these times,
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
in these times, the best thing to do is to just connect with your own self. And if you don't know what to do, please start doing the chakra meditation. और कनेक्ट विद वंदना एज आई सेड देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स विद आवर मैत्रीबोध परिवार से होते हैं फ्री होते हैं वो कनेक्ट करना शुरू करो कुछ तो करो समवेयर व्हाट वी
So,
यू
मैम
आस्किंग
आपने
मी
बहुत आपने ना वो जो अपना ब्रीदिंग से जो आपने बताया था, एक एक्सप्लेन किया था बहुत अच्छा कि दिस इज योर एक्सटर्नल, एंड बाद में जब आपके सोल व्हेन इट लीव्स देन यू नो पीपल कॉल इट अ बॉडी. वो कॉन्सेप्ट एक बार जरा समझा दीजिए.
या सो
इंटरनल जर्नी, एक्सटर्नल जर्नी, एक्सटर्नल बॉडी.
yeah so we have our body like I was telling you earlier when we die and tomorrow when I die so this is Sita's body क्योंकि अब थोड़े दिनों पहले ये बॉडी को ही सीता बोल रहे थे आप अब ये स्मिता की बॉडी हो गई तो वेयर इज स्मिता गॉन that question should you should think about this question every human being so what is it that is making this body work talk eat drink वो अंदर जो है वो है चैतन्य the consciousness which is there which you can feel it through the breath बंद हो जाएगा मतलब consciousness निकल गया आपकी तरफ से then this is actually just a vehicle जैसे मैं पहले बोल रही थी आंखें हैं लोगों को बट दृष्टि नहीं है you have your external eyes you have your internal eyes you have external ears you have internal ears I always tell people when you put hearing aids, put spiritual hearing aids so that you can hear the voice of the divine. All stupid things you will hear, but you will not hear the voice of the divine. So there is something which is the inner hearing, inner drishti, which we call the third eye. हमारी ये शरीर के अलावा एक इनर सटल शरीर है जिसके ऊपर अभी कभी हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया. And if this question strikes you, the earlier the better. That who am I? What am I here for? Once this body is gone, I am gone. मतलब where was I and where have I gone? Where am I in this body? मेरा अस्तित्व किधर है इस शरीर में? मैं कहाँ हूँ इस शरीर में? ये अगर सवाल आपको कभी दिमाग में आ जाएगा, then is when seeking starts. That is when your journey starts. The earlier you get it, the better it is.
Very beautifully explained, and very, very beautifully explained. I think that is what is the divine that you keep, you have been mentioning about, right?
Yes.
About
Yes.
your own self. Yeah. So there is somebody who has, yeah, Drona has written that I love what she spoke about, how she balances between the real life and the real life.
She was there on the earlier chat. Yeah, you got to balance. Everybody has an external life, no? I'm in the acting field, okay, but that is everybody has their work. Like you are also into these fashion kind of things, yeah, image consultancy. That is an outside image, but your inner image is something different. So each one of us, every one of us is basically there. We all lead lives on both levels. हर एक का external world अलग है. There are big corporates, there are rich people, there are middle class people. हर एक का अपना अपना है दायरा. लेकिन एक अंदर की जर्नी जो हमारी सेम है. सबके अंदर की जर्नी is the same.
So beautifully explained. Very.
All of us are all going towards the divine.
Very well. Towards the same thing. I think it's only the matter of fact that who realizes first and then starts the journey.
Exactly.
मैम एक बहुत on a lighter note, on what you just said, कि बाहर की जो दुनिया है, मटीरियलिस्टिक जो चीजें हैं, उसके अंदर रेस लगी रहती है, सब भागते रहते हैं, लेकिन जो ये इंटरनल जर्नी है, उसमें रेस क्यों नहीं शुरू होती है? I wish there was a race to.
Yeah, I will achieve it faster. I will read that faster. I will get definitely faster. इसके लिए कुछ सब मरे पड़े हुए हैं. It's sad.
Yes.
That's the tragedy of humanity.
Yeah.
And
that's what actually we.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
That's what we are here.
अस्तित्व आपका वही है, उससे ही भाग रहे हो आप. ये कैसे चलेगा? ये
So ma'am, so we had a beautiful conversation, ma'am, and I will share the video with you once we are through with it. And thank you so much. Would you like to give any message with reference to COVID or what circumstances are there right now in order to just,
Sure.
kind of.
I've been talking on all my chats.
More positive about the whole situation.
I've been talking on all my chats. Is what I've been trying to get people's attention to. That you have to realize this coronavirus is a spiritual virus. You can't see it. एक तो we say we'll fight corona. You can't fight anything you can't see. So you don't fight with it. Be align with it. How do you align with it? By aligning yourself from inside. Yeah, without divine intervention, nothing is going to happen. All the doctors, everybody, for everybody, it's the first time. Doctor को भी मालूम नहीं दवाई क्या देनी, उसकी दवाई नहीं मिलती है. वो मलेरिया वाली दवाई देते हैं अभी डॉक्टर, because they don't know what to do with it. Nobody knows the solution. So who knows the solution? Is only the divine. So please, my dear, just connect with the divine. Even if you are anybody who has got coronavirus positive, tested positive, or COVID positive, what will help you is the divine intervention only. Besides that, जो आपको करना है वो गर्म पानी पीना, ये करना, वो सब वो करते रहो. That you got to do. But don't be fearful about it. The minute you connect with your inner divinity, it will all get done. Isolate yourself and वो जो करनी है चीजें, which people, you have to do all that, medicine लो, सब कुछ लो. Internally connect with the divine. Do om chanting, do breath watch. Like people say, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, बोर होगी, I don't know what to do. Well, I'm telling you, if you don't know what to do, you watch your breath. There's always something for you to do.
Awesome. Yes.
So don't say I don't know what to do. I'm getting bored. People are getting
Super.
bored. People don't.
Super.
Watch your breath. I can't. I didn't hear you. What did you say,
Yes.
Madhu? I didn't hear.
I said that beautifully put together, ma'am. Because breathing, as we said earlier live also, that breathing is what makes you alive. There is no breathe, you're not alive any longer. And you are in Madhu's body, which
Exactly.
is without breathing. So,
I mean,
so this is
समझ में नहीं आता है लोगों को. This is the trick. This is the magic. The breath is the magic wand that we have. जो फ्री में आता है हमको, जो फ्री में मिलता है हमको, फिर भी हमको बिकॉज फ्री में इसकी कीमत नहीं है शायद.
मिलता है.
अभी क्या बोलने का सबको, कितना बोलने का, बोल के से थक जाती. Sorry, you're frozen, Madhu. You're frozen, Madhu.
So overall, in order to, you can hear me, ma'am? Can you hear me?
Overall, कटती है आवाज.
अच्छा, okay.
I can only
So
hear
overall,
overall,
yeah. So if I have to like kind of put together everything that we have discussed in this conversation, which ma'am has explained very, very beautifully. She has touched upon each aspects very well. Now, in order to just kind of wrap up, I would say that it's the body, it's the mind, and it's the soul which are put together is the best, healthier self of all of us, of any being. Now, normally we see body, which is on the topmost, where people actually go do workout, do something, at least they do something. And then comes the mind, which is their emotional self and whole lot of things. That's also in a mess these days. And after that comes the soul. Whereas if ma'am, if you would throw a light, whether is this order right, or
no,
it should be
first the soul, then the mind, and last the body. Because what will go with you is how your soul is nourished. Body सब इधर ही रह जाती है. Mind goes away after the body goes away. There's no mind when the body is not there.
Super.
The only thing that will go is what you have, how you have nourished your soul, what you have fed your soul. That's all that will go with you in your over lifetimes. And उसी के ऊपर सबसे कम ध्यान दिया जाता है.
सबसे कम. Yeah.
Almost nil.
Yeah. So please do take out time for, if not more, I mean, I would say कि अगर कहीं से start करने को नहीं हो रहा है तो go on YouTube. Please take the YouTube channels. में she has whole lot of things on chakras, on meditation, on even on fitness. She has spoken how to take care and few other energies here and there. So many things.
Yeah.
Start.
Yeah, for your whole life, whatever. दिन का जो how to deal with life, there are 1,000 videos, over 500 videos. I mean, you one by one, if you see them, they will really, really help you. They will really help you.
So with that, we will, I think, wrap up.
Yeah.
Thank you. So thank you so very much for being here and giving us all your learnings and whatever you could share on spirituality. And also there were a lot of myths about spirituality and whole lot of things which you actually clarified today. So thank you so much, and I hope at least some percentage will start taking care of themselves after this listening to us.
I really
Then
मैं इन सब में से प्रार्थना करती हूँ जैसे मुझे ही फायदा होने वाला है इन सब चीजों का, you know. Yes, actually, X amount of people get transformed. The whole planet, we all have to help each other to transform. You know, so it's not just you and me who will get it. All of us have to put in the efforts for the whole planet has to transform. We'll be seeing the Satyug very soon.
Yeah. And in this also, COVID-19 also, we are all together. We all will come out of it together. So nothing to worry. Just focus on yourself. Focus on your inner self. Outer self, hota raha. It's okay. It is going to go on. And
Don't worry that you don't have jobs. You don't worry what will you do tomorrow. Don't worry about anything. All that will fall in place. At the moment, you just think about how to nourish yourself, your soul. Just now, this is the only time for that. बाकी की चीजें अपने आप हो जाएगी.
Beautiful, very, very beautiful. And I think it was very much required because there is a lot of fear that I can sense. There's a lot of gloominess. There's a lot of people talk. A lot of people don't talk about it also.
Yes,
but they are.
Yes. I'm aware. Yeah, I'm aware.
So thank you so much, ma'am, and maintain that beautiful smile. And we hope to see you in more smashing roles on cinema as well. And I will connect with you offline also very soon, and we will take forward certain things which I have in mind, and we'll work out for people. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Yeah.
See you. So I'm leaving the thing.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.